I'm back. And I got a big issue. It just flew in my head because the other day I was talking to somebody and the you will get mad come say me nah send no credit, I'm not send no money. Me in a day. Me have a penny for feed. Before me think about send money to Jamaica to you or wherever the fuck you there. I gotta think about my pitney. My pitney come first. For me think about myself, I think about my daughter. You understand? So if you want to get mad, come say I'm not getting no money, I'm not getting no credits, you're lucky. And that's my problem, me in the day. You never know me until you want credit. So when you did a use of a credit you have by your phone, you didn't know if you message me. First of all, we don't even talk. Fella month we not talk. I don't even know you in person. I meet up on Facebook. You see them youths here? They make hype get to them head and them broke. Then we put them body on shelf for the nice things where them want. It a get out of control and too disgusting. Just cause I say I ain't giving you fucking money, you gonna get mad? You lucky. I don't give a fuck. That ain't got nothing to do with me. You ain't paying my bills, so what that got to do with me? If you wanna get mad and you not talking to me, that's not my problem. We ain't together. We ain't fucking. So I don't care. You can do what you want. You can delete me, block me. Delete me off of Instagram, block me too. Me no give a shit. I have 1,000 how much followers. So if you disappear, I wouldn't even notice. It no matter to me. I mean, no say enough girl have them issue here. Cause them boy at Jamaica go on like I just foreign woman them want for send them things when them know so them have them big woman, them big bonafide woman at Jamaica. Uno bright and face they and stink. Me no want none of uno. We don't need for do better. And stop putting a body on shelf for nice things. And if nobody not talk about it, me I gotta talk about it. Uno too fucking disgusting. Me not forget none of uno. And I don't give a fuck which one of y'all wanna fucking like me. I don't care. Any. It don't fucking matter to me. You're not paying my bills. You're not feeding me and my child. So when I go give you that $50 now, my pitney and me salt. My pitney and me salt about $50 because I use for her. Me not gonna do that. Sorry, she come first. Before me think about myself and any other man, my daughter come first. You hear that? So if you don't like me just because of that, you're lucky. Me ever go put up hype picture. I'm ever go act hype. But guess what? Me not act hype on people. I just the picture them look like my act hype. Me not stay so. I'm not rude to people. I'm nice to fucking people. But you see when I get out of hand, me get disgusting with it. Just know your place. You understand? That's all I gotta say. Like, it's fucking out of control. I'm not a hype person. I'm not gonna act like my shit don't stink. And I'm not gonna act like my shit can't make patty. You understand? It can't make patty. So I'm gonna act hyper than anybody else. I'm gonna know everybody every day. I know just this week, me know you, next week, me don't know you. When things start look up. Fuck you. What the fuck you feel like? It no work, so. You're not gonna know me today and tomorrow when things look up for you, you don't know me. Go suck shit. What to you? What you feel like? Piss me off.